So what is the crack, everyone? My name is Eoin Sheehan. I'm a chef, I'm a home cook, I'm a health and wellness advocate, and I used to be a student in University of Limerick. And the idea of this series is to give students of, well, any students around the world, give them the basics and the cooking principles that you need if you're in college, if you're living in student accommodation. So I'm going to keep this as basic as I possibly can. We're going to do rice, we're going to do pasta, we're going to do roast potatoes, just like how to do the fundamentals, and then we can build on that and start making some recipes. Today we are doing rice. So all you need is some rice, a pot, water, and a weighing scales if you want to be really accurate. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get our pot, we're going to put it on the weighing scales, and we're going to press 0. So the scales is now at 0 with the pot on it. So now we get our rice. We're going to do about 70-gram portion. That's what I'm going to do today. You can do more, you can do less. So you don't even have to weigh it out. You can eyeball it if you want. So that is too much. That's 120. So we're going to take some out. So usually a cup of rice is a good measure. If you get a small cup, that's usually nearly 2 portions even. So we have our rice in the pot alone. We're going to fill this with double the quantity of water. So if I use 70 grams of rice, I'm doing 140 mil or grams of water. So I have that measured out in this cup. We're going to pour that in on the scales again. I just press 0 and we do 140. So all we're going to do is put a lid on this, put it on our stove behind us, and let it boil, let it bubble, and all of the water will be absorbed by the rice. So when the rice is fully cooked, the best thing you can do is just get a small spoon, taste the rice. If it is still a little bit hard, leave it boil for another 2 or 3 minutes. So after about 5 or 6 minutes at a low heat, let it simmer away. It should be fully cooked. So what you can do is just put it through a sieve like this. We're going to just drain off the water. So that's what I'm going to do now. Drain off the water, and what we're going to be left with is just our cooked rice. So our rice is now in our colander. The water is drained off. Just going to put it into a bowl, and that is how you make rice. So very, very simple. All of it is out, and you can season that with some more salt, with some pepper. But that's as simple as it gets. One ingredient, add water, bring it to a boil. Boil it for about 5 or 6 minutes, taste it, drain it, donezo. Thank you for watching. Please go and check out the other videos that are in this playlist. If you are a student, tell your friends, and as always, just keep on cooking.